Hello everyone, Ryan here for Silly Reviews. This is the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. It's 2023, and if you're a Bezos or Rockefeller and can still afford to buy eggs, I think you will enjoy this small kitchen appliance as much as I have. And if you have experience using the Perfect Egg Maker, or just hard-boiling and peeling eggs in general, I encourage you to leave your tips and tricks in the comments. If you buy this new, you'll pay between $17 and $30. For full disclosure, I bought mine used. I found this device almost fully intact for only $2.99 from a local Salvation Army. The only thing it was missing was the little hole puncher, which we will get to in just a minute. While this thing has little plates to make poached eggs and wacky omelets, what you're likely using this for is to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. And spoiler alert, this thing can make absolutely perfect hard-boiled eggs. If you go for maximum capacity, you can cook up to 14 eggs at one time. There will be 2 levels holding 7 eggs on each level. And from my own experience, no matter if you're cooking 2 eggs on a single level or 14 eggs using both levels, the results are uniform. The biggest factor will be adding the appropriate amount of water to the warming surface at the bottom. Oh shit, that reminds me that I also didn't receive the measuring cup with mine either. I have been eyeballing the amount of water I add each time. And because my hard-boiled eggs keep coming out so well in this machine, I think the fact that I don't even know if I'm adding too much or too little water to it says a lot for how foolproof the design is. You can be at Biden levels of cognitive function and still find success with this machine. The process is simple. You boo-bop your desired amount of eggs on the trays. You stand each egg up with the wider or fatter side on the bottom. You poke a tiny hole in the top of each egg with the included little hole puncher, or use something else. To poke my holes at the top of the eggs, I have used both a thumbtack and one of those little SIM card tools for cell phones. Next, you'll put some water at the bottom and plug the unit in. You press the button to turn it on. The bottom is going to heat up and make it all steamy in there. Before you know it, the unit will switch off and your hard-boiled eggs will be cooked. Be careful because the eggs are going to be crazy hot. You'll want to let them cool a bit by removing the lid and waiting a bit, or by giving them a quick ice bath, which a lot of people, including myself, recommend. In this video, you'll see me struggle a bit while peeling them. This isn't the fault of the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. I had to reshoot some segments of the unboxing and cooking process, which led to less than ideal temperatures and times for getting things done. Still, the results were desirable. This again speaks to how foolproof the design of the egg cooker is, and the process of cooking and peeling hard-boiled eggs is. At the time of publishing this video, I noticed lots of online retailers are currently sold out of these devices. I don't know if that means it's discontinued or the company is having a supply issue, which has been common for many manufacturers over the past few years. I saw very similar devices of different name brands on sites like Amazon and Walmart, and would assume they operate and perform nearly identically to the Copper Chef Perfect Egg Maker. If you found this video interesting, informative, funny, or delightfully offensive, I would be flattered if you took a moment to bop that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.